Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to have a look at the Index Scalper Pro trading robot that's on the MetaTrader marketplace and ask, can these amazing results continue in reference to its live result, which is currently over 1600% in less than a year. This trading robot has versions for both MT4 and MT5 and is pre-optimized for a few of the global trading indices. And as I mentioned, it has a very healthy looking live signal. The product description page here shows the list of indices it trades. There is no mention of which time frame, but through testing, it doesn't matter what time frame chart it's attached to, as it trades off either the 5 or the 1 minute. The author has stated that the trade robot does trade in the evenings, presumably when the market is quiet. There are infrastructure requirements too to make this work well, an ECN or Pro type account and a VPS with the fastest speeds to the broker. And here are the impressive results I was talking about. 11 months of live trading on a good reputable broker has returned over 1600%. Drawdown is large as this is trading relatively large size for the account. But if we scaled it down tenfold, it would still be 164% with a 6% drawdown in 11 months, which is pretty impressive. You can also see which pairs have been trading and which ones have been most profitable on the author's account. As mentioned in the product description page, it's vitally important to have the right type of broker conditions and fast connectivity in order to get the best results. We've provided our recommendations, which are the same as the authors, in the video description box below. Right, let's have a look at the back tests. The first one is the German index, or DE40. This is the main pair that the trading robot is optimized for, so it made sense to start with this one first. So starting from 2020 with $1,000, this made a monstrous 195,000, which is remarkable. It had a max drawdown of 12% too. However, what you see in the equity curve is a strong curve up from 2020 to mid 2021. But from then on, it seems to flatline and dip towards the negative. So I thought I would run the backtest from 2020 this year to see how it would have done. Starting with $1,000, it died after a month. So what you see here on the right-hand side is a 10K account. Unfortunately, it's a gradual rise down to not much. Likewise, backtests on the FTSE 100 and Dow were not very impressive. FTSE does end up in profit, but dare I say, by luck because of the small number of trades and inconsistency of the equity chart. And the Dow chart is a very linear chart down to zero. I put the DE40 backtest into Quant Analyzer also to have a look. It seems that the power of the trading robot has diminished over time. It made the most profit in 2020, made less in 2021, and 2022 so far is a loss. You can also see that it doesn't trade the early morning, and most of its profits are made in trades which take less than 5 minutes. In summary, a very interesting trading robot with great live results. However, the DE40 backtests which I have run are showing diminished results over time, and 2022 results are showing loss. Of course, this is different to the live results and makes me wonder if the author is using different sets. He does mention that for those purchasing his products, there's a private group. If there are new sets, he certainly should be making them available to everyone. People would want to run backtests to see what kind of results they could get. Anyway, the links to the live product and the live signal are shown here on the screen, so you can investigate further if you so wish. As always, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you got value from this. And any questions, comments, trading robots you think I should look at, drop them in the comments box section below. Until next time, happy trading.